All right, let's simplify this radical expression.
Okay.
Notice that we've got a cube root. That cube root means that if I have a factor that has, let's say, 4 times 4 times 4 times 7, then that right there is 4 cubed. And so the cube root of 4 cubed is just 4. They cancel each other out. So the way I like to do this problem is to take these numbers inside here and break them down into their prime factorization. So 135, you can take a 5 out, and then let's see, 20 plus 7, 27. Oh, and then look, 27 is 3 times 3 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens with, uh-oh, didn't mean to do that. What happens with this, let me again write this out for you. I've got 9 times the cube root of 5 times 3 cubed, and these two things right here essentially cancel each other out, so a 3 comes out. What's the cube root of 27? Well, again, another way to think about it is a cube root is, well, 27 is 3 cubed, and a cube root is really a 1/3 power. And what's 3 times 1/3? 1, so it's just 3 to 1. Several ways you can think about it. They all work. They all make sense. So this is going to be 9 times 3 times the cube root of 5. And now I can take the 9 and the 3 and I can multiply them together. What's 9 times 3?
27.
27. So I have 27 cube roots of 5. Now let's do the same thing with this one. A 5 comes out and 50 stays in. Let's break 50 down.
No, sorry.
5 times 10.
Times 2 times 5. So
5 times 2. So I've got 3 5s here. I'll do the same thing I did with the other one. This is 3 times the cube root of 5 cubed times 2. And here, your 5 cubed, right here, will come out. I like to say it breaks jail. So I've got 3 times 5. The 5 comes out, times the cube root of the 2 stays in. So this right here equals 15 cube roots of 2. Now these are cube roots of 5 here, cube roots of 2, and I've got a plus sign between them. Can these be added together in any other way? Can I simplify that any further? Are they like terms? No, they're not. And have I already simplified the radicals as much as possible? Yes. So that's your answer. Now, how can you check it? Plug that into your calculator, that whole thing, plug that whole thing in your calculator, and make sure they're equal to each other. And that's how you can check that problem.